Namaste. Welcome to namastehindi.com. So, dear learners, we have reached almost halfway in our learning journey of Hindi consonants. Today, we are going to learn next five amazing consonants that are called the-word consonants. But before that, let's revise the 15 consonants we have read so far. Okay, you can repeat after me. The first one is ka, kha, ga, kha, la. Then cha, cha, ja, jha, hiya. Then ta, tha, da, dha, la. So let's learn the five amazing new Hindi consonants today. So let's get started. The consonants in this section, the vowel consonants are called dental sound or the dental consonants because the part of the mouth used in these consonants is tongue and teeth. The tawar is the fifth consonant group in the Hindi alphabet, a set of five closely related sounds produced from the same place in the mouth, the tongue and teeth area. Today, we explore each one in depth. So, the first one is ta. Can you see? I am using my teeth and my tongue. Ta, ta. The next is tha, tha. Third is da, da. Fourth is dha, dha. And the fifth one is na, na. So the first consonant of this tawar group is ta, and the sound is ta as in talisman. And the word starting from ta is tarbooj. Tarbooj. As you can see, watermelon in Hindi is called tarbooj. More words from ta are the first one is takiya. Pillow in Hindi is called takiya. The next is tala. Tala. Lock in Hindi is called tala. So let's revise the three words that we learned from ta are the first one is tarbooj, that is watermelon. The second is takiya, that is pillow. And third one is tala, that is lock. Next consonant is tha. Tha as in thumb. And the word starting from tha is thali. The plate in Hindi is called thali. More words from tha are thela, that is called bag. Bag in Hindi is called thela, and thana. Police station. Police station in Hindi is called thana. So let's revise the three words that we learned from tha. Tha, thali, that is plate. Tha, thela, that is bag. And tha, thana, that is police station. Very good. The third consonant that we are going to learn today is the, and the sound is the as in there, there. And the word starting from the is dawa. As you can see, the medicine in Hindi is called dawa. Then more words from the are the diwar, that is called wall. The diwar is called wall in English. And next is the dal, that is called pulses. Oh, I just some slide writing mistake. Please ignore it. So we are learning words from the. So the diwar, that is called wall, and the dal, that is called pulses. So words the starting from the are the dawa, the diwar, and the dal, that is pulses. Very good. Next consonant that we are going to learn today is the. The. Strong air when mixed with the previous consonant, it becomes the. And the word starting from the is the, dhan. That is called money. Money in Hindi is called dhan. More words from the are the, dhanush, that is called bow. And what was arrow? We learned in last class. The arrow in Hindi is called baan, and bow in Hindi is called dhanush. So bow and arrow is dhanush baan. So bow in Hindi is called dhanush, And washerman, one who washes your clothes. Washerman in Hindi is called dhobi. Dhobi. So let's revise the three words that starts from dha. The first one is dha, dhan, that is money. The second is dha, dhanush, that is bow. And the third one is dha, dhobi, that is washerman. Very good, learners. We have reached to the last consonant of this series. And the last consonant of this series is na. Na. The sound is na as in no. And the word starting from na is null. That is called tap in English. So null in English is called tap. More words starting from na are na, namak, that is salt in English, and na, nahana, that is called bath. So na, namak, and na, nahana. Okay, so how many of you have taken bath today? Just comment me. So let's revise the three words that we learned from na. Na, namak, that is called salt. Na, null, that is called tap. And na, nahana, that is called bath. So it's time for a quick revision. Repeat after me. The five consonants that we learned today are ta, tha, da, dha, na. Very good. So in the next video, we are going to learn next five consonants. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, then please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with those who want to learn Hindi in a very easy and simple way.